And it is scheduled for one fall. Introducing first. Making their way into the ring, they are Radiant Rui. And their opponents. Your official for this match, LK.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now live for the second pre-show match tonight here for Grapplemax Unity. My name is Radiant Rui, the voice, and my broadcast partner right here, right now.
I am Joseph.
That's right. We are very happy, very excited. Oh, look right here. A handshake was offered, but Sarah Coldheart said, nah, not tonight.
These two people, these
two individuals
have, this is not their first time in the ring. This is not their first rodeo together.
Absolutely not.
And they are having a cheer off right now.
Trying to get the crowd's energy, but we're still waiting on referee LK to give us the okay to start the match. Okay, we're going to wait for the bell to ring very, very soon.
I think they're working another side of the crowd. This is the second side. They've moved on to the third side.
She wants to get all the energy she needs. That's what Sarah wants to do. I don't think she's got it very much. What about Radiant Rui? What's Ray got? They love Ray.
They do love Ray. Sounds like that to me.
Everybody loves Ray. That's a different show. Oh, Raymond.
That should be Radiant Ray's next TV show.
That's right. Everybody loves Ray.
Ray Romano. And the match is, we're still waiting for the starting bell because
not yet.
Because the audience is still.
Oh no! Oh,
Sarah just blindsided Ray. And with that, we are off. So
Sarah off the ropes. Radiant Rui brought to the same shoulder block. Now these two women, these two ladies in Grapplemax are our strongest in terms of raw power.
Absolutely. In terms of raw power, yes. Sarah Coldheart, as I mentioned, as we heard during her ring introduction, she's one half of Ships Ahoy, but we don't see her being accompanied by her tag team partner here.
A little bit of friction.
Yeah, so this is really a singles competition for Sarah.
Whoa, Radiant Rui going for the body slam.
Denied. And
Sarah catching Rui by the hair.
LK trying to lay down the law, but Radiant Rui got laid down to the mat instead.
Absolutely. Sarah does not care how she gets the victory. Let's not forget, Sarah Coldheart is a former tag team champion here
That's
in
right.
Grapplemax.
And you can see, as you mentioned, Sean Ray, powerhouse, just shoulders right into the midriff of Radiant Rui, who can barely stand up now.
Now, the story for this match, ladies and gentlemen, Sarah Coldheart and Radiant Rui, they've been at it against each other for a while. Sarah wants to show her dominance, and she is definitely better than Rui, and she can do whatever she wants and not care what Rui has to think about it.
I mean, Sarah really does have a lot on her plate. Like we mentioned, we don't see her tag team partner out in her corner. She has to resort to IRIX like that.
Such dastardly moves.
Dastardly indeed. On the other hand, Rui has had a very good year.
Look at that splash. Sarah Coldheart not afraid to put her body on the line when she wants to get the victory tonight.
Yeah. All that weight on the shoulders of Radiant Rui. It doesn't look good for Rui now, but I have to say, it has been a good year for her. For them.
Absolutely.
Right? Like, they, I think, won 2 matches against LK.
Rui is on a roll of victories right now.
So Rui is definitely riding a lot of momentum.
Will that continue tonight? We were about to find out, but Sarah goes for the cover.
Not yet.
Not yet. Not enough to put Rui down as Sarah Coldheart trying to think of another idea. What can she do? Too late. Rui and Sarah on an exchange of forearms.
Sarah seems to be a bit... Sarah caught Ray's timing, yeah.
Got confused by Sarah a little bit. Sarah took... Oh my goodness!
But Sarah got missed...
Lands the body slam, but the forearms just took over a little bit too much for Rui right now. Rui trying to get the crowd to energize her.
Who is going to get up to their feet first?
We're seeing Rui getting up right now. Sarah slowly following suit.
Shoulder tackle from Rui. Going in for a second one.
You've been in the ring with both of these.
I've only faced... actually, I haven't.
Neither of these competitors.
No. Suplex onto Sarah Coldheart.
In training, I've been in the ring with Radiant Rui, and I can tell you right now, she has power.
That was a 2 count right there.
Oh, excuse me.
Radiant Rui going for the pin was unsuccessful. Can they capitalize on this?
We'll find out. Rui right now holding on to Sarah Coldheart, bringing her up to her level. So
both competitors seem to have their wind knocked out of them from all those forearms and slams.
Forearms and slams.
Are they going for a choke slam?
What is trying to go for an STO, but no.
No, denied by Sarah.
Sarah ducking it.
Who's going to go in for a backslide? No.
Oh, going for a clothesline, rolls under.
DDT!
Look at that DDT!
Is it enough? Let's go.
And
that was a 2 count. That DDT was not enough from Sarah Coldheart.
Definitely got some damage on Radiant Rui, but it was not enough to get the victory. Sarah might be going for a patented spear here. Harpoon! Oh, misses!
Rui baited Sarah. I think Sarah thought Rui didn't know where they were, but we were wrong.
Radiant Rui
now stalking
her favorite Joshi wrestlers. I'm going for STO!
Is this it?
We're going for the cover, and this is over!